In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do progress billing in QuickBooks Online. Progress billing is an essential tool for businesses managing long-term projects where you invoice customers incrementally rather than all at once. This allows you to better track payments and project milestones, ensuring your cash flow remains healthy throughout the job. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your credentials and click the login button. If you're new to the interface, make sure to keep your login details secure and consider using a password manager to manage your various accounts efficiently. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. In the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This section serves as your command center, giving you access to all the configuration options you might need inside Account and Settings. Click on Sales. Here, you'll enable the Progress Invoicing feature. Progress Invoicing is not activated by default, so you'll need to manually switch it on. Use the toggle switch to turn it on, then don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that your adjustments apply to all future invoices. The Save button is located at the bottom of the screen, and clicking it secures your new settings. Once saved, click Done to exit the settings menu. Now you're ready to create your first progress invoice. Start by selecting New at the top left corner of the screen, then choose Invoice from the drop-down options. Enter your customer's information to associate the invoice with the correct project. Once you've selected or added a new customer, click Add to include them in the invoice next. Adjust the payment rate for this invoice. This allows you to specify the percentage or amount of the total project you are invoicing. This step is crucial because it directly impacts your cash flow and ensures transparency with your client. Finally, once everything is set up accurately, click. Save. This completes the creation of your progress invoice, which is now ready to be sent to your customer. Congratulations, you have successfully set up and generated a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online. Using progress billing helps maintain steady income during lengthy projects, streamlining the financial management of your business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy bookkeeping.